Ever caught your cat giving you the side eye? That's not just sass. It might be jealousy. Let's face it, cats are experts at pretending they don't care. But when jealousy strikes, those poker faces start to crack. Watch out for these 8 sneaky signs. 1. Sudden clinginess. If your cat's glued to you the moment you pet another animal, they're making a statement. 2. Mysterious accidents outside the litter box. Yes, sometimes it's pure spite. 3. Blocking your path, especially if you're heading for a rival pet or even your laptop. 4. Extra loud meowing, as if they're narrating their own soap opera. 5. Ignoring you on purpose, because nothing says I'm upset like turning their back. 6. Swatting at other pets or objects, just to remind everyone who's boss. 7. Over-grooming, which can be their way of self-soothing. And 8. Stealing your stuff like your seat or your favorite sweater. So, next time your cat acts a little extra, remember? It might just be jealousy, served with a side of whiskers.